Hi everybody, I'm Dina. This is a video to show you how to speak Indonesian easily. Every day we need to speak in Indonesia, and if you think that you need to speak daily conversations in Indonesia, so here it is. Lesson 1 is talking about greeting. So to speak Indonesian, this is the introduction, and I give you a lesson 1. It talks about greeting in Indonesia. So when people say good morning, so this is said in Indonesia, selamat pagi. So when you see somebody is in the morning and you want to greet him or her, so you can say selamat pagi with that intonation, or selamat pagi, anything. So in Indonesia there is no fixed intonation for that. The problem here for foreigners who wants to learn Indonesia is about the pronunciation. I believe that most of people all around the world, they will say selamat pagi, because the pronunciation is just like the sounds where they come from. So in Indonesia we don't have T, but we have T. So you say selamat pagi, and we don't say pagi, but we say pagi, selamat pagi. And then good afternoon in Indonesia is selamat siang. So this is when the day, even though this is 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock p.m., so this is still very bright. So in Indonesia we'll still say selamat siang. Or when it's getting, the sun is changing in color and it's become a little bit orange, so we will say that selamat sore. Selamat sore means afternoon, late afternoon. And when the day is dark and you meet somebody in that moment, so you say selamat petang. It means good evening. And then good night in English, deals with somebody partying at night when the day is dark and you're about to sleep and you're not going to see each other again for that day. So you will say good night. But in Indonesia, it doesn't mean that after that, dealing with sleeping and after that you don't meet each other. It doesn't really sound like that. So in Indonesia, we will say selamat malam. Selamat malam. So the word, when somebody is celebrating things, in the English, they will say happy birthday and such thing, but we still use the word selamat. So selamat ulang tahun. Selamat belajar means happy studying. Happy speaking means you learn how to speak and you are now speaking Indonesia. So when you want to say something about that, to congratulate, to give spirit, and you say selamat belajar means study. Well, this is my first lesson of greeting everybody. So I see you again in the next lesson too. Thanks for watching.